Want to share your WhatsApp number easily with just one click? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to create WhatsApp link. The first thing you want to do is open up any web browser. Now, tap on the search bar and here you want to type this exact format. Type in wa.me/ then type in your phone number with the country code. For example, if the country code is 1, type that, now followed by your phone number. Go ahead and type in your phone number. Once that is done, tap on the Go option. Now this is how the WhatsApp link is going to look like. Now you can go ahead and copy this link over here and send it to whoever you want. The one who receives it will get a platform like this. Now if they want to chat with you, they can simply tap on Continue to Chat option or download WhatsApp and then start chatting on WhatsApp itself. When someone clicks it, WhatsApp will open with Hello already typed in the chat box. That's it, your WhatsApp link is ready to share on websites, social media, or with clients. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.